Hi, my name is Steven Yong from Barista.com. I'm using the Royal Synchro T2 espresso machine from Italy today. This is a sample usage video, basically a video of me making coffee for people in my shop. Now, in this video, I'm going to make 3 drinks. One iced Americano, one hot chocolate, and one latte. The reason why I chose these 3 different drinks is to show you that you can make 3 totally different drinks at the same time. And this is how it actually looks like, and this is how we do it. The first step is I prepared ice inside container, get a little bit of water. Next, I'm making the hot chocolate. The hot chocolate we make from powder. I like to use a Japanese bamboo whisker to make it easier to stir the chocolate powder with hot water. Once it's done, it's time to make the coffee. Alright, so now I'm using double shot bottle filters. On the right is to make a latte, on the left is to make the iced Americano. I like this machine a lot because it allows me to make tall takeaway cup, glass, and a normal 8-ounce shot glass at the same time. I'm auto frothing the milk for 2 cups. Normally you can froth it manually or you can froth it automatically, it's totally up to you.